In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Expressvpn in just 5 minutes. Let's get started by opening your favorite web browser. You'll want to type in the URL for Expressvpn, or you can simply search for Expressvpn in your preferred search engine. Once you're on the Expressvpn homepage, you'll notice it's well organized with various options. But what we want today is to sign up. So let's focus on that. Look for the Get Expressvpn button. It's usually prominently displayed on the homepage to make it easy to find. After clicking this button, you'll be taken to a page that outlines the different subscription plans available. Expressvpn offers several options, typically ranging from 1 month to a year or even longer. It's important to consider how you plan to use this VPN service to select the best plan that fits your needs and budget. Annual plans often offer savings compared to the shorter-term subscriptions. So keep that in mind if you're planning to use the service long-term. Once you've chosen a plan, you'll move on to the next step, which is setting up your account. This involves entering your email address. Make sure it's one that you have access to, as Expressvpn will send important information and account details to this email. After entering your email, you'll create a password. It's essential to use a secure password that you haven't used on other accounts for maximum security. If you're worried about remembering it, consider using a password manager to keep it safe. Now that you've set up your account, the next step is to complete your payment. Expressvpn supports various payment methods such as credit cards, PayPal, and sometimes alternative payment options like Bitcoin. Choose the method that you're most comfortable with and fill in the necessary details. This process is secure and straightforward, so your personal information will be protected. Once payment is completed, Expressvpn will confirm your subscription and send you an email with further instructions. These usually include how to download and install the Expressvpn app on your devices. Check your inbox for this email and follow the guidance provided. Typically, you'll be prompted to download the Expressvpn app, which is available for most devices, including computers, smartphones, and tablets. Follow the installation instructions specific to your device, and you'll be up and running in no time. Congratulations! You've successfully signed up for Expressvpn, a reliable service that will protect your privacy and enhance your online security. Now, enjoy browsing the internet safely and securely, knowing your data is encrypted and your activity is private. If you have any questions, the Expressvpn website has a comprehensive support section that can help with any issues you might encounter. Take your time to explore the features and settings to get the most out of your new VPN service. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing!